Hello kids, welcome to Hip Hip Hooray! It's a kids learning channel.
Hello kids. Let us learn about insects name. Butterfly, butterfly. Ant, ant. Mosquito, mosquito. Beetle, beetle. Honeybee, honeybee. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Cockroach, cockroach. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Ladybug, ladybug. Caterpillar, caterpillar. Moth, moth. Housefly, housefly. Cricket, cricket. Wasp, wasp. Termite, termite. Firefly, firefly. Earwig, earwig. Flea, flea. Mantid, mantid. Cicada, cicada. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for Hip Hip Hooray channel.